students. Okay, but only 8 students are there, beta. I'm not getting the proper name. Who is Mr. Raujani Zabir? Please write the names, those who are remaining. Again, I will speak the name, those whose names are present, okay? Raujani Zabir, okay. Anybody else is remaining to write the name? Okay, I'll speak the names, you see that. Gondalya Mendi Abbas. Gondalya Mendi Abbas.
Present, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay, but immediately you have to give me the answer. Why Lakhotra late?
Sir, network problem.
Network problem. Okay. Da Ramjad Hussain. Okay, very good. Roll number 3. Zaidi Muhammad Taki. It's roll number 38. Dar Mushtaq. Roll number 4. Okay, Dar Shujat. Roll number 5. Anybody else is remaining to write the names? Jamani Fayyaz. Okay. Grastu Kaisar Ali. Okay. Malla Ali Muhammad. But are doing from only one mobile? Ah, Malla. Malla, Grastu. All of you are doing from one mobile? In computer. Okay, very good. No problem. Chalo, nice. Anybody else is there? Velani Jonobas, your name is there. No problem. So, shall we start our lecture now? Okay, so let us start now. I'm going to present my screen. Okay, now what is the measures to increase literacy? What are the measures to increase literacy? Let us read in this paragraph. Who is going to read? Who wants to read?
Sir, Alariyan.
Okay, read it beta. Chalo.
Measure to increase illiteracy. We come across incidents when people get cheated because of their illiteracy. Illiteracy is a taboo on the culture of society. Many measures have been taken to uh, eradicate it.
Eradicate.
Eradicate it. Free and compulsory primary education to age group of 16 to 14 years.
16 but it is 6.
6 to 14 years. Scholarship, midday meal, pre-primary education, girl education such as
Schemes.
Vidya
Girl
Vidyadeep,
education schemes.
girls education schemes,
Schemes. Schemes.
Vidyadeep Chim,
But a scheme
residential
is not there, Ayan. Scheme nahi
uh,
hai, scheme hai, scheme.
scheme, residential school for tribals, adult education programs, each one teach one seam and
Scheme.
seam and since 2009 right to education RTE have been introduced and implemented.
Okay, very good. Chalo, nice. What are the measures to increase literacy? The people who are illiterate. Illiterate means they are not having the education. Okay. They don't know how to treat the person, or whenever they are having the paperwork, they are being cheated. Cheated means, anybody can give me the idea what about cheated?
Cheating करवी.
But how they are cheated? How they are cheated? Anybody can know? Can anybody tell me how the
No.
illiterate people are cheated?
Because they have no any knowledge.
Because they are not having any knowledge. Okay, very good. Then anything else, beta? Don't know. Okay, so I will tell you the people who are living in the villages who are not been literate, they are illiterate, they don't know about that. In paperwork, what it is there? The paperwork is done, but how much money they are taking, they don't know. Somebody is taking less money, somebody taking more money. What the thing is written in the paper, they don't know to read properly. Yes or no?
Yes.
Whatever the people, whatever the people will tell to do, then they write this and that and all these things. They will do it and they will give the money, but they don't know how much it takes the money. So like this, they are cheated to take their fields and all these things. How? If they are selling the thing, they don't know to calculate, then also it will be a problem. Is it clear or not?
Yes. Yes.
So what they have done, the government has taken that free and compulsory education. Means all should get the education, each and every person who are about 6 to 14 years. Even governments are giving scholarship. Government is giving scholarship now.
Yes.
Yes, midday meal. Midday meal means midday meal means afternoon when we are having before before night and after afternoon, that is the midday meal. Primary educations, girls education scheme is there. If girls have to study, they have to give less fee. Even vidyatip schemes, residential schools for trivials, means the person who cannot go for far, they are having the residential school also. Even adult people are also being taught. एडल्ट को भी एजुकेशन दिया जाता है, yes or no?
Yes.
Adults are also given the education. So
Yes.
each one scheme. And now there is a RTE, right to education. Right to education, that is also been introduced for whom? That is also been introduced for whom? It is for whom? For the people who are poor, who are not able to give the fees. Now you have to find it out the illiteracy rate of last 5 years. Which last 5 years. So how many of you will able to find it out? Will you able to try?
Yes.
Okay, so no problem. So you have to find it out, and this is the one homework given to you. Now we are moving on to the okay. What is this? Now who will read it?
Sir, I.
Yes, read.
The increase in price of essential commodities and other necessities is known as inflation. A price rise in the commodities of daily use creates an adverse effect on human life. Inflation causes stress of common man as it becomes tough for the middle class people and people with limited income to manage their basic expenses. The standard of living goes down. It has become difficult to combat inflation, and at times people have to compromise over certain commodities or facilities due to inflation.
Okay, very good. The increase in price, the things which is very necessary for us. What is that? Which things are necessary for us? Which things are necessary for us, beta?
Food,
uh,
water,
food,
Food,
water,
water,
food, water, clothes,
Electricity,
yes.
electricity,
food,
Food, water, electricity for living houses, for the things which are very necessary. The main important thing which is necessary for that, that is the food. We need food daily. Yes or no?
yes,
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 sir.
Everything.
yes,
Without that food, we cannot live. For the food, we need money. We need money or not?
yes,
Yes,
If the food price is increasing, but our income does not increase, what it will happen? If your father is there, his income is this much, but it is not increasing, what to do? And the price is increasing of food daily. It will create a problem.
yes,
It will
yes,
create a problem because the income is less and the price is growing up day by day. So it will create an effect on our human life. How we will manage, how we will do it. Okay. It may be tough for whom? वो किसके लिए टफ होता है? किसके लिए?
home,
अगर प्राइस इंक्रीज होती है, the price is increasing, it is tough for whom? Which type of people?
जो रोज का लाकर रोज खाते हैं उसके लिए
We can see as that the middle class people. Which people?
मिडिल क्लास
middle
Middle
class.
class people. And people who is with limited income. Limited income means they are managing their daily expenses. રોજનું લાવું રોજનું ખાવું. That is the thing. Okay. It will create a problem for that people.
यस
Okay.
Yes,
So what it will happen that the standard of living goes down and down. The living will go down. Then the people have to compromise. They have to do settle. What they were eating, they will bring now less. Okay, what are the measures that is corruption, hoarding and overpopulation are the factors responsible for inflation. What can we do as a citizen to stop it? The only solution to this is plan the thrifty lifestyle. Thrifty lifestyle means corruption is very much that I have told you in the class also. Hoarding, this is means an overpopulation. More peoples are having overpopulated. Today, day by day, the population is increasing. Increase हो रही है कि decrease हो रही है? It is
increase
increasing or decreasing?
increase.
Increasing. Population is day by day increasing. So we have to do very well. Okay, poverty, who will read?
Sir, I-
Yes.
What is another phase by SH?
Beta, your net problem is there, I think so.
Okay, sir.
Anybody else can read?
Yes, sir. I read Lakhotra.
Yes, read it.
Poverty. Poverty is another major challenge faced by our country. A situation where a person is deprived of basic necessities like food, clothing, shelter, employment, and medical facilities is termed as poverty. The percentage of people in Gujarat living below the poverty line is 14.7 percentage.
Okay,
The
just a minute, beta. I'll explain this paragraph, then we'll move. Poverty is another major challenge faced by our country. You can see in our country, poverty is very much. The people, wherever they get the space, they go and start living there because they are not having the space
cri-
to live.
criteria.
They are not having the space to live. So wherever they go, they start living there only. Wherever you can see, here we are going to direct to Woodley. There you can see the people living in the hut. Have you
Yes.
seen?
Yes.
Why? Because that people are poor. They don't have that much money to buy the food, buy the house. They cannot take the space at the rent. So what they are doing? They are living like this only. Okay, they does not have money for the food, for the clothes, for the shelter. They are unemployed. Their employment is not there. They are unemployment and even they are not having the medical facility. Today, medical is going high. If we go for the clinic, how much money we are keeping up there? You know or not?
Yes.
How much money we are keeping it up then? So, the percentage of people in Gujarat living below the poverty line is 14.7%. How many percent? 14 point.
14.7.
14 point.
Now you calculate out of 125 crore, 14.7% are under the poverty line. Okay, leads Lakhotra.
Yes, sir. The criteria of poverty are set on the basis of purchasing capacity and level of income. Due to the 5-year plans, education and medical facilities have become more accessible in India. Moreover, the growth of industries has created a lot of job opportunities, which consequently has reduced poverty. The income of people has increased due to the integration of technology in agriculture and other professions.
Okay, so how they are taking up the criteria of poverty? How they are measuring the poverty? By purchasing capacity and level of income. What is the level of income and what is the purchasing capacity? Now see, in the last 5 years, how many years? Last
5.
5 years, plans, plans, education, and medical facilities become more accessible in India. In India, you can see medical plans are going day by day. Most of the people does not have the money to buy the medicines because if they are getting the operations and medicines and all these things, it is very problem. So whatever we are doing that, said industries have created a lot of job opportunities, which consequently has reduced poverty. Means most of the industries today, so many industries are building. Lots of industries are building. So what they are doing, they are keeping the poor person at the job. And what happened due to this? Due to this, the income of the people increases. due to the technology of education, agriculture and the profession. If you study well, what you will get?
Good
Good
If
money.
you are
result.
studying well,
Good
you are getting
result.
good
Good.
result, you are getting good degree, you will understand all these things. Whenever you are going for the job, at that time what it will happen? You will get a good post or low post?
Good post.
Post.
Good post. And you will get good salary, you will earn good money, or you can do your own business. That is also done. Okay. Okay, what is
Yes.
BPL? Below poverty line. People living the below poverty line face the following situation. You know BPL card, you know, no?
Yes.
BPL card and APL card both are there. BPL and APL. They do not get proper nutrition food, living in an unhygienic condition, are illiterate and deprived of medical facility. The children have to indulge into labor. BPL card people, you know that most of the people who are poor, they directly go into the job from the age of small only. In the childhood only, so many people, children are working. Why they are working?
They have no money.
They have no money. They have no education. Whatever the job is there, they have to accept it. Are they going to accept or not?
Yes.
Because they are thinking that we need money at anyhow. If we will not get the money, we will not get the food. Are we able to get the food?
No.
No. So that is the problem. And they live in an unhygienic condition. Unhygienic means we are having daily bath. Do they have daily bath?
No.
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 They are not having the bath. Why?
Winter.
Not winter, beta. They does not have that much money that daily they can have the bath. Because in the bath we need detergent, soap, shampoo, so many things are needed for bathing. This much thing we need now.
Yeah.
Yes.
We will just put the water on our head and come to the school. You are doing like this.
No.
You are using detergent. You are doing the soap. Soap is there. Shampoo is there. You are washing your body with very properly. Okay. So this is the thing. Now what is the activity? Visit your village panchayat or municipal corporation and find out the number of people who live under the poverty line. Now what you have to do, if it is possible, you go to your panchayat office or you can do the municipal corporation and try to find it out. How many people are living in your town or city below poverty line? Okay? Try to find it out. Is it possible? No. Okay, no problem. Let us go with the corruption. अब corruption का कौन read करेगा? Who is going to read about corruption? Who will read?
Sir, I.
Yes, what is your name?
Zaki Hassan.
Okay, better read it.
The corporation, in simple terms, means a lack of integrity or
Integrity,
integrity or honesty use of a pushing
position,
position of trust of the
For
Dishonest
dishonest,
gains. It means a dishonest
dishonest behavior
behavior by those. It is the
in the
prostitution
in position of power,
such a measures
managers,
of government officials, currency and including
corruption, corruption, beta
corruption.
corruption,
Corruption can include giving or accepting behavior of the
right,
bride or imposing
inappropriate,
in gift double dealing under the table. The transitions
transaction,
municipality
manipulating elections,
section during a fund,
diverting funds,
generating fund and lending money, and defrosting
defrauding investors.
investors. Corporation
Corruption has become
has become the major issue that induces
thus the development.
development of our nation.
Okay, very good. Chalo, what is corruption? All of you know very well about corruption. Do you know about corruption?
Yes.
Very good. So corruption means what? There is no honesty. There is no honesty.
Yes.
They are using their position. They are using, if the person is at the high post, he use this post very wrongly. If today you know that if we need the government job, if today we need the government job, we are studying well. Our studies is good, we are getting good marks, each and everything, this and that. But what happened?
Money,
We
money,
have to
money.
give money. If we need the government job, we have to give the money. If in the government, if we want to do our work, if we want to make our work very clear, we want the work should be done very fast. So what we should do? तो हमें क्या करना चाहिए? What we have to do?
Give money.
To give money to the manager's
Government.
clerk or peon, because peons are also very corrupted. If we give the money, our work will be done very fast. And whatever the work is done, the money is given under the table. Under the table means, you know very well, what is under the table? What is under the table? टेबल के नीचे से, टेबल के नीचे से.
Yes.
Okay. Under the table. But it is not under the table. The money is given very quietly at some different place that our work will be done easily. Even you can see the investors, means the person who is investing in your project. But what you will do? The person is investing, he is doing all these things. But the end he will say that at the end he will say, we got a loss. What you will do? If the person wants to earn money by corruption, what he will tell to the investor? Thereby we have loss in this business.
Project.
Loss in this business. We can
Business.
show any of the papers by working. This much work it is then, this much money invested, we got loss. This is the thing, no?
Yes.
Yes.
Investor don't
Yes.
know about this. He is investing the value. But what we will do? The person who want to do first only corruption, he will tell that our money is lost. Okay. Next, what are the effects of corruption? The effects of corruption lead to the following effects on society. First, violation of human rights. What are the human rights are there? They are done or not? We are not getting our rights. We are getting our rights?
No.
We are not getting. We are not getting. If we are getting right, we have to pay money. Sometimes. Hindrance of the development of nation. Our nation will be developed or it will go down?
Down, down,
It will go down.
down.
Deterioration of moral values. What the teachers are teaching, the good things the teachers are teaching, it will go up or it will go down.
Down. Go up.
From here it is going up. From here it is going up. But afterwards, the same thing is going down. Inflation means money will increase, the price will increase. Price will increase, no?
Yes.
Lack of trust in law. We are having the trust in law.
Yes.
We are not having trust
No.
in law because anybody can purchase it by giving money. And the development of the human is going down. Okay, all of you understood properly what we have studied?
Yes.
Doubt?
Yes, sir.
Doubts anybody?
No.
No. Anybody has joined
No.
new? Okay, beta, you may leave the class now. In the next class, we will meet it. Okay?
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir. Bye.
Bye. Start leaving, beta. Fast, fast. Jabir, come on fast. Come on, Sadiq. ZD, Muhammad. Come on, fast, fast.